Hello students, in today's video we'll see exercise 1.1 question number 14. That is, matrix A is given. You have to find A inverse and show that is equal to 1 by 2 A square minus 3I. So let us first find A inverse. Now to find A inverse we need adjoint of A and determinant of A. To find the determinant of A, we have to first find the determinant of A, that is equal to the first row. I'm going to take the first row, 0 into something. Okay, we can just leave that. Second element is 1, so you have to change the sign there. So the cofactor is minus 1 into, what is the cofactor? 0 minus 1. So it is minus 1 plus 1 into, what is the cofactor of 1? 1 itself. So 1. So that is 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2 is not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. A inverse exists. So now we have to find the adjoint of A. For that, let us find the cofactor matrix of A. So the cofactor matrix of A, for 1 it is the first element, A11, it is 0 minus 1. So I'll write minus 1. Second element it is 1, third is 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. So I think you all know to find. For 0 it is, cut this row, cut this column, 0 minus 1. For 1 it is 0 minus 1, that is minus, and but this place you have to put 1 minus. So minus into minus become plus 1. This 1 is 1 itself, 1 into 1. This 1, cut this row, cut this column, 0 minus 1 plus 1. Again in this place you have to change the sign. So it will become plus 1. Then again 0. For the 0 it is 0 minus 1, so I have written minus 1 here. For 1 it is, cut this row, cut this column, 0 minus 1, it will become plus 1, because these places, these 4 places, you have to change the sign. Now for this 1, it is 1 itself. Let us take this one, 0 minus 1, again this will become plus 1. Last one is 0 minus 1, that is a cofactor matrix. Now we have to find the adjoint. The adjoint of the matrix A is nothing but the transpose of the cofactor matrix. So it is equal to minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. So transpose means you change the rows into columns and columns into rows. That is, the first column has become the first row. Second column, second row, third column, third row. So that is your adjoint of A. Now we have to find A inverse. So A inverse is, so LHS is A inverse. So A inverse is 1 by 2 into this matrix. Minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Because you know the formula for A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. This is the formula we have used. So we have found A inverse. So that is the left hand side. Now the RHS is half into RHS. Right hand side is half into A square minus 3I. A square minus 3I. So let us first find A square. A square is matrix A into matrix A. So matrix A is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 into the matrix A into A. So it is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So when you multiply these two matrices, you get A square matrix as 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. How did you get this? So the first row, this element is first row, first column. 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2. This element, how did you get? First row and second column. 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. This is first row, third column. 0, 1, 0, that is 1. Second row, first column. 0, 0, 1. This is second row, second column. Second row and second column is 1, 0 and 1, that is 2. This is second row and third column. 1, 0, 0. So it is 1. Then third row, 1, that is 1 into 0, 0 plus 1 plus 0, that is 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0, that is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0, that is equal to 2. Now we will take the A square we have found. A square is this. Now we have to find A square minus half into A square minus 3i. This is what we have to find. So that is half into, put a bracket, A square we have found, that is 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. This is 1, okay. Okay. So 1, 2, 1. This is the matrix A square minus 3 times I. I is the identity matrix of order 3, because here the matrix A is a matrix of order 3. So we have to take I as identity matrix of order 3. So that is your identity matrix. So now A square minus 3i, A is 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. So let us subtract now. That is equal to half into, just subtract 2 minus 3. So it becomes minus 1. 1, yeah, that is 0. 1 minus 1. Minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. There is just 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1 minus 0, that is 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. That is equal to the
right hand side.
So LHS is equal to the RHS. So RHS and LHS are equal. LHS we found, this is LHS half minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1. You can see this. Same thing we got it here. The diagonals are all negative and this. So this LHS is equal to the RHS. Hence we have proved. Thank you.